In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a private collection in Shopify. A private collection is useful when you want a set of products to be available for direct link access, internal use, or a specific audience, without having it publicly visible in your storefront navigation. The key idea is that the collection exists in your admin, but it is not shown on the online store sales channel, and it is not linked in any menus. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products, then select Collections. On the Collections page, click Create Collection. This is where you will define the collection you want to keep private, so give it a clear title that you will recognize later. Next, set the collection type to Manual. Manual collections are important for privacy because you control exactly which items appear, and nothing is added automatically based on rules. After selecting Manual, click Save. Saving first ensures the collection is created and ready for you to add items. Now add products to the collection. Look for the section where you can browse or search your products, then select the items you want included. Take your time here and make sure you only add the products intended for this private grouping, since this collection will not be managed by automated conditions. Once your products are added, move to the Sales Channels area on the collection page. In the sidebar, click Manage. This controls where the collection is made available. To make it private from your storefront, uncheck Online Store. Then click Done to confirm the change. This step is what prevents the collection from appearing as a normal collection page in your online store browsing experience. Finally, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Review your menus, including the main menu and footer menu, and make sure this collection is not linked anywhere. If it is linked, remove that menu item and save the menu. Keeping it unlinked prevents customers from finding it through your site navigation, and that is all there is to it.